Yes, children. Children, as I completed chapter 6, right? Chapter number 6, division. Children, you all thinking that why after this class, why we all are sending this video, right? This video is called the summary of the chapter, right? So, children, now subject maths and topic division. Now, children, you all learn chapters in this chapter 6. You all learn short division method, long division methods, properties, and words problem, and remaining remainders. Right? So, children, first topic is short. If I get this is first is short division method, right? Short division method. So in this, what if we take if I have 12 apples, and if I have 12 apples and I take two children came to me and asked me that, ma'am, we want to get this apple. So I give them equally. So I distribute them equally. So in 12, what two children like Shubhagana and Shubhanjali. So two children को अगर हम देंगे तो कितने कितने एप्पल्स देंगे? 6 ठीक इक्वली करेंगे तो 6 हो गया, राइट? अगर हम उसमें से अगर एक लोग और आता, कौन? समर्थ आता. समर्थ इज सेइंग दैट मैम आई ऑल्सो वांट दिस एप्पल. सो मैंने क्या किया, इफ टू ऑफ देम equally, so 6 and 6, and if one of them again, then what I will do, I will do take two from this. मैं इसमें से 2 लूँगी, इसमें से मैं 2 लूँगी, तो मेरे पास कितने हो गए? 4 एप्पल्स. एंड यहाँ कितने हो गए? 6 minus 2 what? 4. एंड here is also 4, राइट? 4 एप्पल्स. अगर आयु आ जाता है बीच में और वो कहता है कि मैम आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट एप्पल, वॉट आई डू, आई टेक 1 from this, 1 from this and 1 from this. So 1, 2, 3. So I give 3 apples to Ayu. And how many these children having? These children also having 3 apples. So if I divide them equally now, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are there. 4 persons. So if I divide the apples in 4 person equally, so this one is very easy. If we see short division method, divided by 4, so 12 minus 4, what? 8, and 8 minus 4, 4, and 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So if we get 0, so that means this one is it. And none number is remain to subtract. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to what? This is 1 step, this is 2 step, and this is 3 step. So 12 divided by 4 is what? 1, 2, 3. So read table 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. We get ना, हम लोग को मिल गया ना 4 3s are 12. सो अगर हम 12 को डिवाइड करेंगे 4 से, तो अगर हम लोग तो एक पर्सन को कितने एप्पल्स मिले थे? 3 एप्पल्स मिले थे ना. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द डिवीजन. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ द डिवीजन. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द डिवीजन, राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन, विच साइन we use between two numbers, and that call is called the division. This sign is used, and this sign, if we put this sign between two numbers, then that number is called the division method. First is division. If I give you 12, right? Children, if I give you 24, okay? 24 means plus, and I say to you all that distribute these 24 into 3 people. So distribute means divided. So 24 divided by 4, right? 24 plus distribute them in 3 persons. So if 3 persons are there, so how many? Let's we see. this is the 24. So 24 minus 3, what? 21. Then 21 minus 3, what? 18, right? Sorry, is equals to 18. Then 18 minus 3 is equals to what है? क्या आएगा? 15, right? 15 minus 3 is equals to 12. Then 12 minus 3 is equals to what? 9. Now 9 minus 3 is equals to 6, and 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, and 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Now we get the 0 now. So bas, that is it. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 24 divided by 3. So what is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is 8. So if we read tables up to 8 times, we get 24. Read. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Right, children? So this is the 24. So children, this is the method of this is the method of short terms, and it takes time, right? So how it takes lots of time. So if we do the long division method, then we consume our time and it takes lesser time from the shorter time. Okay, so how? This is the bracket, this is 24, and this is 3, right? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. हमें तब तक टेबल पढ़नी जब तक 24 ना आ जाए. 3 1s are 3, 2 6, 3 is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Here is 3 8s are 24 and minus 0, right? But children, what is this called? This called is quotient, QUOTIENT, right? This, what is this called? Dividend, DIVIDEND, dividend. What is this called? This called is remainder, REMAINDER, remainder. Now what is this called? This called is divisor, DIVISOR, right children? Children, this is called the quotient. This जो 24 dividend is given, divisor is given, right? These two numbers are given, and in the bracket we put larger number, right? Bigger number. So this is dividend we have to put, and divisor, this is both these are given, and remainder and quotient we have to find it. Okay, so quotient is this and remainder is 0. In addition, we get what we get? We get the answer is called the sums. In the subtraction, we get the answer is called difference. In multiplication, we get the answer is called product, and in division, the answer which we get is called the remainder. Okay, this you all understood. Now children, one more formula. You all are thinking that what is that formula? I write it very short. Sorry. Okay, chalo. I write it in this is dividend. Dividend is equals to divisor, DIVISOR, divisor into quotient, 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 bracket, and plus remainder. Okay, REMAINDER. Now children, dividend is 24 and divisor is 3, multiplied, quotient is 8, bracket, and plus what? Remainder is 0, right? 0 0 and 0 is equal, both are. Now 24 is equals to, right? So here is 24 and here is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, and plus 0 is 0 only. So 24 में अगर हम 0 माइनस करेंगे तो 24 ही आएगा. So 24 and 24, these both are answers we get is same. So that means this is the the process which we do is correct. So children, 24 and 24 both are equal, so that means this sum is correct, right? I teach you in the live classes also. Now children, properties, third one is I give you the only short way. I am not writing the whole statement, right? Because I am written and give you in the classwork also. So I am not writing the statement. Only just see. If I divide, what is the first property is said? First property is said that if I properties. So third one is properties, right? So first property, if I divide same number, right? Same number means that 4 divided by 4. So what we get is, देखिए 4 में से 4 की टेबल कब तक पढ़ेंगे? जब तक 4 ना आ जाए। 4 1 जा वो एक बार में आ गया तो 0 क्या आ गया? द आंसर वी गेट इज, अगर हम क्या करेंगे 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 करेंगे तो 1 आएगा। अब अगर हम सेम नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्या आंसर आएगा? हमें सेम आंसर आएगा, ठीक? द आंसर विच वी गेट इज, इफ वी डिवाइड द सेम नंबर्स then the answer which we get is 1. Second is, if we divide any number 2 by 0, then what we get, अगर हम 0 से करते हैं 15, so and here is 0, 0 15s are 0, right? So क्या आएगा? तो 0 ही तो आएगा ना स्टूडेंट। सो 15 को अगर हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे 0 आएगा। सो क्या आ गया? 0, ठीक? नाउ थर्ड वन इज, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? 1 से। जस्ट लाइक दैट 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, सो 1 21 जा 21, तो क्या आएगा आंसर? 21 and 1 21 जा 21, क्या आंसर आएगा हम लोगों को? 21, ठीक? सो द आंसर, इफ यू डिवाइड एनी नंबर बाय 1, देन द आंसर वी गेट इज the answer we get is itself, ठीक? जो जिस नंबर से हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे 1 को, वही आंसर आएगा। दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन। अगेन आई रिपीट इट, ओके? दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4। अगर हम किसी सेम नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें 1 आता है। अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से करते हैं तो हमें 0 आता है। अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से करेंगे तो हमें 21 आएगा, मतलब वही नंबर आता है, ठीक है? ओके चिल्ड्रन, and all children, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these properties are similarly, but in some cases they both are, these all are different, okay? Now children, let's we see the remaining numbers. If we take 25, if I give you 25 divided by 3, right? How you will divide this? You will divide this in this way, right? In the long division method, if I said you, अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो क्या कहोगे? तो 3, आप टेबल पढ़ो 3 की जब तक 25 ना आ जाए। 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 3 6 18, 3 21, 3 8 24, 3 9 27, ठीक? 3 8 24 and 3 9 27। अब कैसे होगा? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 25 तो आया नहीं, तो हम इससे बड़ा नहीं लेंगे, हम इससे क्या करेंगे? छोटा लेते हैं। सो 3 8 24 एंड 3 9 27, सो 3 8 24 लिया एंड वी हैव टू माइनस। सो 5 में से 4 गया 1 एंड 2 में से 2 गया 0। दिस इज इट ओनली, ओके? सो 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, रिमाइंडर इज 1 and here is 8, okay? So this one is the remaining remainder, okay? Now children, in the words problem, I am not writing any statement, I am just taking words problem. Yes, Rama bought, if I take this one, a 4 person can sit in an auto rickshaw, and how many auto rickshaw will be needed फॉर 28 पीपल्स। ठीक, मैं ये करा भी चुकी हूँ, सो फिर भी आप लोग देख लो। एक रिक्शे में कितने लोग बैठते थे? 4 पर्सन, राइट? 4 पर्सन बैठते थे ना। अब ये पूछा 28 पीपल कितना रिक्शा लगेगा। ठीक, 1 रिक्शा में ठीक, देखिए 1 रिक्शा में कितने लोग बैठे? 24 पर्सन। एंड 28 पर्सन कितने? 28 पीपल कितने रिक्शे में बैठेंगे? कितने रिक्शे में बैठेंगे? सो चिल्ड्रन, सो कितने रिक्शे में बैठेंगे? तो ये चीज़ हमें जानना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? क्या करना था हमें बताइए सीधा। तो हम क्या करेंगे? 28 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 एंड इन दिस केस मल्टीप्लाई 28 रीड द टेबल 4 1 ज़ा 4 4 2 ज़ा 8 4 3 ज़ा 12 4 16 4 5 ज़ा 20 4 6 ज़ा 24 4 7 ज़ा 28 4 7 ज़ा excuse me 28 minus 24 and here is 0. So what we get? 7. So 7 rickshaw we get. हाँ, हमें 7 रिक्शा लगेगी कितनी? 28 पर्सन पीपल्स के लिए। ठीक, सो दिस इज द वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम एंड चिल्ड्रन दिस वन इज इट एंड कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. ओके, डू योर होमवर्क. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.